Crescent Industries' in-house automation department designed, built, programmed, and installed this brand new automated work cell that offers faster production times and higher part quality and consistency when compared to previous manufacturing methods used for this component. First, the part is injection molded before being removed from the press by a custom-built end-of-arm tool that places the component in a fixture where the runner is trimmed with less than 10 thousandths of an inch of vestige. The end-of-arm tool then disposes of the runner while a 6-axis robot picks up the two handles and places them into a second fixture for pad printing. This second fixture orients the part and slides into an automated pad printer, which pad prints 2 white logos and 2 black gradations onto each handle. This fixture then slides back to the home position where a 4-camera vision system inspects each part to ensure a quality print. The 6-axis robot then moves the part to a completion belt, which passes through a heat tunnel to dry the ink, and the end-of-arm tool places any parts deemed bad by the automated inspection system into a separate bin for recycling. Once the good parts pass through the heat tunnel, they slide into a completed bin where an operator performs a final inspection prior to packaging. The first and only time the component is handled by an operator. A component with this many post-processing steps and level of complexity would typically require multiple operators and several machines, all working independently of each other. Now, this automated work cell is able to produce 2 completed handles in just 36 seconds, a significant improvement in both time and cost to the customer over previous methods, while simultaneously providing a higher level of part consistency and quality. Not to mention, the cell is designed and built in a way that will keep maintenance to a minimum and reduce downtime, with moving components that are most likely to wear down being the easiest and fastest to replace. This project required internal expertise in mechanical and electrical design, advanced robotics programming, visual inspection integration, and precision machining, all culminating in a holistic manufacturing solution built entirely in-house from the ground up. And it's safe to say that Crescent would not have been awarded this program, which is now forecasted to increase our ISO 7 cleanroom revenue by 25%, if not for the incredible work by our in-house automation team.